Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everything is pretty well at your end. Today, Auntie is again with you with one more moral story, and that is about a donkey. You must all know that donkey belongs to the horse family. This book is again from Young Readers Moral Stories series from children's publication, and the name of the story is A Donkey Trick. Now let's have a little chat about the trick. Have you ever been tricked by someone? Now let's begin with the trick the donkey did. One day, a donkey was carrying two heavy bags of salt on its back. It was a hot day and the donkey was very tired. After walking for a long time, it reached a river. There was a small wooden bridge across the river. The donkey began to cross the bridge. Suddenly, it slipped and fell into the river. Oh my God! Have you seen in this picture? The donkey has been fallen into the river. Now he is scared. He is afraid of that what will be happen to me. Oh my God, now I'm in the river and the fish is in front of me. What to do? Oh my God. Help. Can somebody help me out? Then you know what happened with the donkey? Let's continue with the reading. The salt it was carrying dissolved in the water. The donkey was happy because the bags were now very much lighter. A few days later, the donkey was going home the same way. This time, he was carrying two bags of cotton wool on its back. Now, let's see in the picture. You can see that the donkey is having two bags full of cotton on his back and he is walking on the same way. Upon reaching the river, the donkey jumped into the water. The cotton wool soaked up the water and became heavier. The donkey tried to get out of the water but could not do so. The two bags of cotton became so heavy that the donkey was soon drowned. Oh my God! Now see, the donkey become compelled and he is not able to come out of the water so easily because last time it was salt, so it dissolved easily in the water and the bags become empty. But this time this is not salt, this is cotton and it got heavier and it's really very difficult to come out from the water lonely without any support. So it's difficult for him and he's worrying that how I would come out. So now let's walk through the moral time. And the moral of the story is cheating does not lighten one's burden. This story gives us a lesson that we should not cheat anyone to lighten our own self burden because it never get lightened but it get more heavier. So do you know that which time is it now? Yes, it's a question time, so we can review the story. So now let's begin with the questions. My question number 1 is, why did the bags of salt become lighter? My question number 2 is, what was the donkey carrying the second time? And my last question is, what happened to donkey in the end? So now it's a goodbye time from Auntie side. Stay happy, stay connected. We'll meet soon in the upcoming next stories. If you like the story, don't forget to give a thumbs up, press the like button, share the stories with your friends and family, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon. Goodbye.